What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben, and this is 3T's Mobile Automotive Repair. Today, we're talking budget-friendly scanners. We're gonna let you know what they cost to update, how much they are to purchase, and where you can get them from. Let's jump into it. Let's talk the first one. This is the AutoFix D1 Lite. It is a basic, simple, bidirectional scan tool. The cost on this runs about $350 to $450. It runs all exclusively on the Ocala platform. I guess it's a sister company from it. This one here to update is 2 years free when you purchase it, and then it's $119 per year after that. You can find this and any other scanner we're working on today in the description below in my Amazon store and in my TikTok showcase. All right, so the next one we're talking about here is the ThinkCar 689 BT. The BT stands for Bluetooth. This has the removable dongle that magnetizes to the back. This one is based more on the launch system and the top-down style operating system. Nice, simple, sleek design. I really like the magnet in the back. This one here usually ranges from about $400 to $550 for the cost of this, but you get free lifetime updates on this scanner. According to their website and everybody else that's made videos on this, this is 100% free lifetime updates. It does work with the auto authorization, and it works really well. I like the scanner, not a huge fan of the operating system, but it's all around a great scanner. All right, our last tool today, King Bowling K7. Decent little tool. Got a nice little ergonomical grip here on this. This one is pretty close to the ThinkCar and your top-down and launch tools, a little closer to the top-down. If you do your auto VIN search, you can see it looks almost identical to a top-down. This one runs $400 to about $550 as well, just depending on when you can find it on sale. When you set this tool up under the auto authorization, you have to do it as the manufacturer of ThinkCar. It works great, and I could use it on the Chrysler vehicles. The biggest update we have going on with this one, King Bowling recently reached out to me to let me know that they are now offering free lifetime updates as well. But all in all, it's a great little tool, and now with lifetime updates, that's a plus. So there you have it. Those are your 3 top budget-friendly scan tools that I have in my possession that I can talk to you about. I hope you enjoyed everything we had to show you today. And again, if you're starting out in your mobile automotive journey, you found the right channel. Follow along, leave some comments below if you got questions, and we'll make sure to answer those in a future video.